Hey, 30-minute marketers. Today's video, we're going to talk about the reasons you're not making any money with email marketing. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, be sure to click on the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications of future videos, as well as check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple yet effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start building your own online business today. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. Like I said, today's focus are all the reasons you're not making any money with email marketing. I do believe that I have 5 here to show you. Might be 6. It could go to 7. Just depends on if I get on a roll or not. But let's get into it. Short term versus long term. Now, we talk about this a lot here on the channel. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And the focus is on the end goal. It's on what you want to accomplish. And the thing you want to accomplish is you want to build a business. And the reason you want to build a business is because you want to be able to make money online. So this is long-term thinking. This is making sure that you have your head on right, the correct mindset, and that you understand that you need the patience to stick with it and build something that will last. This channel is not about get rich quick. This idea, this concept of using email is the long game. Short-term versus long-term thinking. Short-term versus long-term building a real business. Short-term versus long-term in your goal of building a relationship with your email list. Quantity over quality. Okay, this goes back to this concept, this phrase, if you will, that is always repeated again and again and again. And I'm pretty sure you know what it is. If you can guess, leave it in the comments real quick. Yep, I think you got it. The money is in the list. How many times have you heard this? Heard this over and over and over. Let me tell you. You can build a list, and I've done this. I've built lists and niches of 10 to 12,000 subscribers, and I've made more money with lists that are half that size. So you have to understand it's quality over quantity versus what I have here on the screen, quantity over quality. Because you'll get caught up in, I need a big list, I need a huge list, I need 100,000 people on a list, and then I'll make money because every email subscriber is worth $1. Every email subscriber is worth something. The money's in the list. Okay? The money is in the relationship with the people that you're getting onto your list and the solutions that you provide to their problems via the emails that you send. Okay? Again, goes back to the very first thing we talked about here. Short-term versus long-term. Quantity over quality is the reason you're not making money with your email marketing, because you're focused on a huge list versus having a smaller list of real people that you've connected with, that you've targeted inside of your niche. And that niche being, of course, you already know this, a problem, a solution, and an audience that needs the solution to their problem. I highlighted this one because seriously, you're promoting crap. Doesn't matter what niche you're in, but this is really a big problem inside of the make money online business opportunity. And yes, even inside of internet marketing or marketing in general, because the problem is that the product just simply isn't good, or even worse, the sales page is bad and the product's bad. I don't know if that's worse, but I think you understand what I mean. You're promoting crap. You're promoting something just because of the idea that you've been sold. You've been sold on a product and you think it's good because you've been told you can make X amount of dollars because the money's in the list, and all you got to do is get people to push this button and buy it. Probably kind of harsh on make money online, biz ops, and internet marketing, but it's a real problem inside of the niche that I'm in right now, marketing, as I'm talking to you about marketing. But this can happen just as well. If you're in another niche using email and you're just promoting bad products, well, people are going to find out very quickly, as soon as they purchase that product, that the product either doesn't do what it says it does, or they're getting bad customer support from the vendor that you're promoting if you're doing affiliate marketing via email. Or maybe you just built your own crappy product and you don't want to admit it, and you put a lot of time and effort into it, and when people buy it, they simply refund or they don't use it and they unsubscribe from your list. So that's it. You're simply promoting crap, so step up your game. Caught up in the swipe, right? If you don't know what a swipe email is, a swipe in the copywriting world and an email specifically in the affiliate world, when you go to a JV page, they'll have what they call email swipes. And these will be emails that are typically just a bunch of features of the product or maybe some benefits to using the product, but they're kind of lame and they're the same as everyone else is sending out. And you get caught up in the hype of using a swipe because, again, you've been told and led down the wrong path that the money's in the list and all you need to do is copy paste and you'll start making profits. So you just simply copy these email swipes and you're sending them out to your list. You're not editing them. You have no voice. People read them. Even worse, people are on other lists of marketers and they're getting the exact same email swipes. It just looks bad for you. People are going to unsubscribe, and they have a word for this. It's called spam. You're sending out the exact same message as everyone else. Okay? Now, spam is really, the definition of spam is you're sending email to people who didn't sign up to your list. But the definition of the word spam is kind of morphed into you're just throwing junk out into the internet. People are on your list and you're just sending them crap that they're not interested in. You're promoting crap. You're caught up in the swipe. You're just copying and pasting and you're sending the exact same thing other marketers are sending. And it's just spam because it's unwanted email. Yes, people signed up on your list, but it's still spam at the end of the day because it's unwanted messages. It has no value. So just don't do it. And those are some of the best reasons I can think of you're not making any money with email marketing. It's just simply you're not in it for the long term and you're just caught up in the hype of what people have told you and you've been led down the wrong path. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments about other reasons that you're not successful with email marketing, or if you think there's some other big secret that someone's keeping from you, go ahead and drop that in the comments. Let me know the secret or what you think about email marketing. Is it something you're going to keep trying? Is it something you're just giving up on and you're moving on to the latest and greatest thing because email marketing is dead? That's what they say, right? But they also told you a lot of other crap. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, check the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like this one here on the end screen. Make sure you check that video out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.